Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade custard. We will go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to achieving that perfect creamy texture. You will learn the importance of tempering eggs and how to cook the custard gently. Finally, we will cover the crucial chilling process to ensure your custard is smooth and delightful, ready to enjoy. For a truly classic custard, your ingredients are key. Start with 2 cups of whole milk. Its fat content ensures a rich, smooth result. You will need 4 large egg yolks, which provide the custard's structure and color. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar adds the perfect sweetness, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract infuses that comforting, familiar aroma. These simple components combine to create something wonderful. The cooking process requires patience and attention. First, gently heat your 2 cups of milk with 1/2 cup of sugar until the sugar fully dissolves. In a separate bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks until they are light yellow. Now, temper the yolks by slowly pouring about 1/2 cup of the hot milk into them, whisking continuously. This prevents scrambling. Finally, return everything to the saucepan and stir over medium-low heat until the custard coats the back of a spoon. Once your custard is cooked, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth texture. This removes any small bits of cooked egg. Immediately press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm custard. This crucial step prevents a skin from forming as it cools. Refrigerate the custard for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it is thoroughly chilled and set. Enjoy your delicious homemade custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.